Hello everyone, welcome to LYP Home Decor. Your sofa is one of the main pieces of your room design. Selecting which is good for you can become a seemingly crucial move since it can be the first thing you see when you get home. It's also the place where the family and friends meet and have hearty conversation. In this video, we bring a collection of latest 100 wooden sofa design to get inspired. If you like the video, please subscribe and turn on the notification to support us. It really helps. Now let's begin with the video. Selecting a sofa is one of the most important furnishing decisions you can make. Think about it. So much of your home life centers around this one piece. Relaxing after work or on the weekend, watching TV, hosting friends and family, taking a nap, all the activities take place on the sofa. So, before investing in this key piece, read on for our top designer tips on how to choose the perfect sofa for your home. Number 1. Consider your lifestyle. Before dividing into different sofa styles, take a moment to consider your lifestyle and what you may require from a sofa in day-to-day life. If you have a big family, sectional might be best choice for you. If you have a pets or kids, it may be a good idea to opt for a stain-resistant performance fabric upholstery. If relaxation and comfort are at the top of your mind, you may want to look at the motion sofa styles that recline. Going into your shopping experience with a key must have mind. You will have to save lots of time and energy. Number 2. Determine sofa orientation. Another element to decide on before going shopping is to how to orient a sofa in your space. Number 3. Measure, then measure again. You can never measure too many times. A lot of errors can be made in this step of the process. So be sure you know exactly how large or small of the sofa your space can accommodate. Number 4. Be selective with upholstery fabric and leather type. Choosing the right fabric or leather type of your style is vital. Like mentioned before, if you have pets or small children, opting for the performance fabric selection is wise. It's also essential to research the quality of upholstery fabric or leather type for any sofa you like. 5. Pick out a color that works with your space. Now it is a time for one of the biggest decisions yet, your sofa color. There are so many different directions you can take here, from bright statement to reliable neutral. It depends on your choice. There really no wrong or right with that. It's just your choice. Number 6. Choose a style that suits your home. Of course, another component to keep in mind is existing furniture in your living space. If your side chairs, cocktail table or console, all the more of traditional fare, we suggest sticking within this style type for your sofa. However, based on your design comfort level, you can still mix match with your styles.